Sometimes we have difficulties in formulating mathematical equation from word problem. From experience, a large number of students and teachers find it difficult to formulate mathematical equations due to the technicality involved in doing this. At the end of this lesson, learners should be able to formulate simultaneous equation from real-world problem. I remain your mathematics instructor, Abdullah Falade. If you are watching this video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell of notification, like, share, and comment. In modeling, a word problem simply means a real-world situation where significant information on the problem is expressed in ordinary language rather than in mathematical symbols and notation. Here we are trying to use the system of forming this word problem into a mathematical equation, solve the problem, and interpret the solution. In this video, we focus on how to create a mathematical equation, in particular simultaneous equation, from word problem, in order to ease the process of providing solution to the problem. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. What are the steps you require to form mathematical equations? Whether you are forming a linear equation, simultaneous equation, or quadratic equation, the following steps have been proven to be reliable. The following are required steps in forming mathematical equation. The first thing is you read the narration and define the problem. Read the problem aloud to yourself and define it. Define whether the problem is a problem that will lead to a linear equation, quadratic equation, or simultaneous equation. Underline the key words, the key parameters, the key sentences in the narration. All these are very, very important in formulation of your mathematical equation. Underline all the keywords, parameters, and terms. The next step is represent the unknowns. You should know what you're asked to find. You should know the unknowns. Represent the unknowns with decision variable. It could be X, it could be Y, it could be A, it could be B. Any convenient lowercase letter. Having done that, the next thing is for you to analyze each sentence. You have to analyze them one after the other. Then you write down your complete formulation. During the course of your analysis, you'll be able to form equations required of you. And the last step is for you to be able to solve the formulated equation. Check whether the solution is valid by impute the result into the equations and check whether the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, like we did in the previous video under solving simultaneous equation using elimination and substitution method. Then evaluate your result. Take back the result into the word problem to be able to evaluate whether the expected result, the expected solutions has been met. Example 1. Formulate mathematical equation from the narration below. 9 pence and 5 pencil cost $33, and 7 pence and 8 pencil cost $38. Find the unit price for each pen and pencil. Now the solution goes thus. We need to follow the steps. Step 1. After reading the narration, we observe that the problem is simultaneous in nature. We are dealing with two things: pen and pencil, pen and pencil. Step 2. We underline the keywords. You can see we underline the keywords: 9 pens, 5 pencil, $33, 7 pens, 8 pencil, $38. Unit price, each pen, pencil. These are the keywords, key parameters, key terms. Step 3. Let the unit price of each pen be X, because the unit price of pen and the unit price of pencil are the unknown in this context. So for the unit price of pen represented with X, unit price of pencil represented with Y. Step 4. We analyze each sentences. So from the first sentence, we realize that 9 pen and 5 pencil is $33. That's why we have 9x plus 5y is equal to 33, equation 1. From the second sentence, 7 pen, which is 7x, plus 8 pencil, 8 times y, 8y is equals to 38, equation 2. So we write out the complete formulation, which is 9x plus 5y equals to 33, equation 1. 7x plus 8y is equals to 38, equation 2. Using either elimination or substitution method, when you solve this simultaneous equation, you have the solution: x equals to y equals 3. Now you need to evaluate. You can observe that the unit price of pen is 2 because x represents the unit price of pen, and the unit price of pencil is 3 since y represents the unit price of pencil. In the second example, formulate mathematical equation from the narration below. If twice the son's age is added to the father's age, the sum is 45. But if the father's age is added to the son's age, the sum is 40. Find the age of the father and son. Like in the previous video, the narration gives the insight that the problem is simultaneous in nature, father and son. We underline the keywords and the key parameters. You can see twice, son's age added, father's age, sum is 45. Father's age added, son's age, sum is 40. So we represent the son's age with x and the father's age with y. We move to the fourth step, which is analysis of each sentence. When you analyze the first sentence, you see that twice the son's age added to the father's age, twice the son's age, which means 2 times son's age, that's twice the son's age, added to the father's age equals 70. And that gives 2 times x plus y is equals to 45, equation 1. From the second sentence, it was given that son's age added to the father's age is 95, meaning x plus y is equals to 40. So we have the complete formation, which is 2x plus y equals 45, x plus y equals 40. You solve. When you solve, either using elimination or substitution method, you have x to the 5 and y is equals to 35, which means the son's age is 5 years and the father's age is 35 years. Do it yourself. At your own leisure time, it is expected that you should be able to solve these 2 problems. 2 tables and 3 chairs together cost $2,000, whereas 3 tables and 2 chairs together cost $2,500. Find the cost of a table and a chair. The second question, the length of a rectangle is twice its width. The perimeter is 30. Find its dimensions. In the second question, you are expected to find the length and the width. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.